Hi guys, DK here from KaroroCAM. Today I'm going to be taking you through the installation of the beta or demo release of KaroroCAM, a new cross-platform CNC GCode programming tool for Rhino 8. So the first thing we're going to need is to install the Bengish plugin of Food for Rhino. I will put I'll put this link to Bengish in the notes below this video. But what you'll need to do is navigate to Food for Rhino to this Bengish download. You'll need to log in with your Rhino details, and then you can simply hit download on this version. We'll let that come through. Once that has come through, then show in folder, and I'm actually just going to copy that across to my desktop, and we can extract here. Now with these GHA plugins for Grasshopper, you will need to right button mouse click on them, go to properties, and check to see if they are blocked. There would be a checkbox here which you would have to uncheck, but this one is okay. You can then open your Rhino, open your Grasshopper, and go to File, Special Folders, Components folder, and then it's simply a matter of dragging and dropping this into your components folder. I already have it in here, so I'm just going to skip that for now. Right, once we have Bengish installed, we can open the package manager, and we can search for Karoro, K-A-R-O-R-O, and here we have KaroroCAM comes up. We can simply hit install. Right, and now we will need to restart Rhino. And if we don't have the KaroroCAM pull-down menu, we can start KaroroCAM just with from the command line. Now, because it's the test version, you can just click through the username and the user key. That'll just come up once on installation. Now, there are several Grasshopper plugins which are managed by the package manager, which will need to be installed for KaroroCAM to run. Now, if you don't have those loaded onto your machine, you will be asked to just download and install them at this point in the installation. I've removed the JSON or JSON from Andrew Herman just to show what that would look like for this installation. So we can download and install. And we will need to restart because with those extra plugins. So I'm just going to restart Rhino again. Now on restart, we actually have the launch KaroroCAM in the menu at the top of the screen here. And now we have the KaroroCAM control window has come up. There are quite a number of different toolpaths available within KaroroCAM. I will go over these in future videos, but to give you an idea of how to get started, let's do a 2D profile cutting. So I'm just going to grab a rectangle and put it down on my stock here. And if we look in our layers menu, KaroroCAM has created a number of new layers inside of this document. If we simply move for a 2D cutting operation, we need closed curves, and if I simply move this rectangle onto the outside curves layer, KaroroCAM will create a toolpath, which is this green line here. And I'm going to create multiple depths with this one. And if we wanted an internal curve as well, I can simply create one of those and put to that inside cutting. So inside curves will get cut to the inside, outside curves get cut to the outside. We can then go to our preview, and if we unpause, I'll put a little bit of speed on here. We unpause this, we can now see the simulation of this particular cut. That's all looking good. If we go back to toolpath, we can go down to post-process. We can choose a machine type, and we can hit save the GCode file. Because this is the demo version, this is currently disabled, but it does give you an idea of how the software will work and how the workflow will work within Rhino 8. Well, thanks very much, guys. That's the quick getting started in KaroroCAM for Rhino 8. And if you need to ask me any questions, you can email through on KaroroCAM@gmail.com. Thank you very much.